How to log in TikTok with Google or Apple ID. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in Google with TikTok or Apple ID. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to log into TikTok with Google or Apple ID, now if you're using on Android, you'll have the Google ID. If you're using on iPhone, you'll have Apple ID. Now to do that is very simple. We'll just launch the TikTok application as we normally do. Come to our profile page. If you're already logged into a certain account, perfectly fine. You can still add another account by going to this add account menu. Now this is actually a sign up screen. We don't want to come to the sign up screen, but we will tap on this option called login from the very bottom. Then when tap on login, we can log in independently out of Google or Facebook or Apple using our phone, email or username. But you can continue with your Google account if that is what you're seeking over there. Then you can simply select your Google account in the process and you'll be logged in successfully to your TikTok account, as you can see right here. And this is the way on how you can log into TikTok with Google or Apple ID. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.